Are you going to discuss the shapes?
Yes.
Okay, show me the shapes. What's that? What's
Here.
that?
Oval ellipsoid.
Which one here is sphere?
That one.
And where's the shape sphere? Geometric solid. And what's the other one? What's this?
Ellipsoid.
And
That
which one? It looks like a...
Ellipsoid.
It looks like a...
Oval.
It looks like an orange.
Yeah. No.
It looks like a...
Egg.
An egg. How about this?
Oval.
Next. Okay. How about this one? What's this?
Cube. Cone. Cylinder. Rectangle. Prism. Triangle. Triangle. Prism.
Triangular.
Triangular prism. Pyramid. Triangle base pyramid.
Wow. Okay. You name all the shapes. What's this?
Cone here.
What? Cone is
Cone is here.
a circle. Cone is a circle.
The cylinder is a circle.
Cylinder is a circle.
Cone has that one.
Oh, okay. How about what's this?
Cube.
Cube. What
Here.
shape? What shape is that?
A square.
Okay. How about this one? What's this?
A rectangle.
This is a rectangle. Rectangular.
Rectangular base pyramid.
What?
Rectangular base.
Rectangular.
Base.
Rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism.
Where's the shape there?
There.
Okay, what shape is that? What shape is that?
A rectangle.
How about this one, Stan?
Triangle base pyramid.
That's
Triangle base pyramid.
this one's triangular base pyramid. What shape is that? It's a circle. Is it a circle?
Triangle.
Triangle. Where's the triangle? Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay, and how about this one? What's this?
Triangular base pyramid.
No, that's triangular prism.
Triangular prism.
What shape is that? The base. What shape is the base? It's a...
I don't know.
It's a rectangle. Solid and the base. So it says. And what's this?
A square base. Triangular base pyramid.
That's the triangular base pyramid. This is the triangular base pyramid. Eh. This one is pyramid only.
Pyramid.
Look at the pyramid.
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 Pyramid. It's gas.
How about this? What's this?
Sphere. Cone.
Sphere. Where's the word sphere?
This here.
And what's the next one?
Cone.
Cone. Where's the word cone?
There.
And
Cylinder. There.
what's
Triangles. Prism.
prism?
Prism.
Where's the triangular prism?
There.
Is that triangular prism?
Yes. Oh no. There.
And what's the last shape?
Rectangular. Rectangular prism.
Prism.
Here.
Oh, you're very good.
Great.
Okay, say goodbye na.
Goodbye.
Cannot see you.
Goodbye.